Imagine you're cruising down the highway when suddenly the check engine light blinks to life, casting an ominous glow on your dashboard. You feel a chill run down your spine. What could it mean? In that moment, you're thrust into the mysterious world of automotive diagnostics, where every code tells a story. You pull out your phone and discover it's the P0025 trouble code, known as B Camshaft Position, timing over retarded, bank 2. But what does that really mean? As you ponder this question, you learn that it applies to a wide range of vehicles: Toyota, Ford, Honda, and more. Each one has its own secrets, waiting to be uncovered. Visualize your engine as an orchestra, each part playing a unique role in a complex symphony. When the P0025 code appears, it's like a musician suddenly forgetting their part, throwing the entire performance into chaos. The variable valve timing (VVT) system, designed to optimize your engine's efficiency and power, is struggling to keep the beat. Why is the B camshaft, perhaps the exhaust or rear camshaft, off its game? You can almost hear the engine's frustration. It might be hard to start, as if it's hesitating to join the concert. The idle becomes rough, like a musician stumbling over notes. And just when you think everything's okay, the engine stalls, leaving you stranded in silence. What could have caused this disruption? Suddenly, you're drawn into a web of possibilities. Is it incorrect camshaft timing, a wiring issue in the intake timing control valve, or perhaps an oil flow problem to the variable camshaft timing piston chamber? Each scenario feels like a twist in a thrilling narrative, keeping you on the edge of your seat. And what about that timing valve control solenoid? Could it be the hidden villain in this story, stuck open and creating havoc? To uncover the truth, you'll need to embark on a quest to check the VCT solenoid. What will you find? Contamination? A sticky valve? The answers lie within the pages of a vehicle-specific repair manual, waiting for you to unlock them. But what if you're not ready to dive into the depths of diagnostics? Fear not. There are dealer technicians equipped with advanced tools and a treasure trove of knowledge ready to tackle these automotive enigmas. They can navigate the intricate troubleshooting steps, using scan tools to reveal the secrets hidden beneath your hood. As you ponder the implications of the P0025 code, you realize this isn't just about fixing an engine, it's about understanding a complex machine that tells a story all its own. So, what will you do next? Will you take the plunge into this adventure, unraveling the mysteries of your vehicle and ensuring it performs in perfect harmony? Don't let that check engine light be a mere annoyance. Take action. Whether you choose to diagnose the problem yourself or seek help from a professional, your journey toward automotive mastery begins now. Embrace the challenge and keep your engine's story running smoothly.